Hello friends, welcome to today's challenge. So we are in challenge 4, so let me quickly read it. So write a Python program to take age from the user to check whether user able to participate in voting or not. If age is less than 18, then it don't allow to participate and show after how much year a person will be able to participate. So expected result if user input 10 year, then sorry, you cannot participate in voting. You will be able to participate after 8 years. So what this actually means is that you prompt the user to enter age, and if the age is bigger than 18, then you allow the user to participate. But if the age is less than 15, then you display you're not allowed to participate. Then you show the user how many years is left before the user can be qualified to participate in voting. So that is the challenge we want to solve now. So open your VS Code. So let's create another file. So I'll call it challenge4 underscore 4.py. So the first thing we do is to prompt the user to enter his or her age. So I will say age will be, I will use the input function and I will say, please enter your age. Once I do this, don't forget, whenever the user enter any value from the keyboard, it will come as string. So because we want to perform comparison, we need to convert this age, which for now it's in string. We have to convert it to integer. So I will say my age will be equals to, I will use the function int to cast it to integer. I will say age. So once the user supplies their age, it will cast it to integer and I will assign it to this age here. So you can see age here. So the user supplies this age. I use the int function to cast it here and I reassign it to age here. So the next thing we need to do is to check using the if condition, or I will say using if statements. I will say if age is greater than what? 18. So the question said if age is less than 18, then it will not allow the participants. If age is less than 18. So I will say if age is less than 18, do what? Print what? I will use the F string here. Then they say, sorry, you cannot participate in voting. You will be able or eligible to participate after. So here I will say after, I will say 18 minus the age. 18 minus the age. This should give us what we intend to achieve. So prompt the user to enter the age and say cast the age to integer, store it as age. Then using if statement, I will say if age is less than 18, print sorry, you cannot participate in voting. You will be able to participate after. So 18 minus the age of the user will give us the remaining year. So let me run. So I will right click. I will say run file. So this is it. As you can see, please enter your age. So if I say my age is 10, I'll press enter. Sorry, you cannot participate in voting. You will be able to participate after 8 years. Let me run this again. So you see. So if I run this, sorry, let me access CLS. So this is it. So I will right click and run. So you can see, please enter your age. So I will say if my age is 17, I'll press enter. Sorry, you cannot participate in voting. You will be able to participate after 1 year. So friends, thank you very much. This is the solution to our challenge 4. So please subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell at the bottom so that when I upload my next video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for learning from me. Please make sure you are alert for my next video. Thank you. Peace.